I'm starting this devlog just to give myself a record of what I'm doing and maybe get some interest in my game when it's a bit further along. I've done what I'm assuming most people have done when trying their hand out at game dev. I followed a bunch of tutorials on all the different game engines, Udemy tutorials, GameDev.tv tutorials, Zenva tutorials for Unity, Unreal, Godot. Mostly just following things that come out in humble bundles and things of that nature. Then taking all of that and those skills I thought I had somehow mastered, which obviously no. But I took those things and tried to Frankenstein something together, hoping to make my dream game. Didn't happen. Obviously, it's a lot more work and effort than that. But I'm also kind of assuming that's what most people go through. And now, after a bit of time Frankensteining together lots of trial and error games, I'm gonna go for making what not exactly my passion project, but the closest thing to it that I can think I can reasonably accomplish, a sort of MVP of my passion project that I can grow from. On my current project, I've only really done some basic things: movement, aiming, sprint, some menus that'll work off the bat, and I can just rearrange, change, add to without having anything be broken. So this is going to be my passion project, but an MVP of it, just what I can get running, what I can demo out, and then from that demo or MVP I can build from it. I did start this already before I got the idea to post on YouTube, so it's not at zero, but I'm also not that far along. Currently, all I have is an end goal and a vague process of how to get there. I'm using Godot as it has been the easiest engine to work with and isn't missing anything I might need. It has a fairly straightforward way to do multiplayer interaction and well documented, which is really important for me because it's well documented but also not very overwhelming. I say vague end goal, but I do have an idea of what I want to make, how I want to make it, and what I want it to end up looking like. The only thing is the process is what gets me hung up on things sometimes. So I do work better at just saying, well, today I'm doing this. All right, well, that's done. Let me figure out what next to do, instead of having a step-by-step plan from beginning to end. Maybe not the best idea, but it does work for me. So yeah, this is going to be me making an MVP of my passion project, and hopefully after that growing that MVP into something amazing.